YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We are back again today with you guys on a What's in the Box on Pentair's Racer. This is just their Racer pressure side pool cleaner head only unit. It's new to us, but it's not technically new to the market, so stay tuned. We're going to dive in and show you guys what comes included. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got the Pentair Racer pressure side pool cleaner. We do have another video out there for you guys on the Racer LS head only, but for today's video, this is just the basic Racer model. So this is the one that will actually have the LED hookup on it and everything like that. This is a head unit only. So as you guys can tell from the SKU here, it's got the traditional SKU for the Racer, which is the 360228, and then it's got dash head. So when you're looking at this part specifically, it is a head unit only, meaning no hoses, no accessories. It's got a different warranty. You're dealing with a 1-year warranty compared to a 2-year warranty if you buy a complete cleaner. So this is technically meant for people that are looking to just replace their current unit. They know how it works. They know what to do with it. They don't necessarily need the help of an industry professional to get it installed like they did with their initial unit. So this will be a good replacement for you, as it is much cheaper than the entire cost of the full cleaner. Again, if this is your first time putting this into your pool, we highly suggest you buy the entire cleaner, have it professionally installed. That way you're aware of everything that goes into that. We do have other videos out there on our YouTube channel that show you how to install pressure cleaners. They are a lot more difficult than your traditional suction cleaner, where you can just toss it in, kind of get it plugged into the wall and adjust your suction line. Pressure cleaners are a little bit more, they take a little bit more finesse. So again, if you're doing this for the first time, we do not suggest buying this part. But for those of you out there that have already had a Racer and you're aware of what they are, this is a great replacement for your current unit. So let's dive in and show you guys what comes included. Quite a big box. Obviously, those of you guys that are familiar with the cleaner, it's a large cleaner. So first thing, they give you a brand new bag with a collar kit. It's got the regular traditional sand silk bag on there. It's not a fine bag, so if you still need that, you're going to need to purchase that separately. But lots and lots of bubble wrap. I'm really impressed with how they package these things up so that they don't get destroyed on their way to you or to us. So really nice. Check this out. All right, so bag off to the side, and bear with me and let me get this bubble off. This one's got quite a bit. See if I can kind of squeeze it out of there. There we go. All right, so here is your Racer, regular traditional Racer model. So again, they have a Racer and a Racer LS. The LS is not going to have the traditional LED lights as this shows right here on the side. Really cool technology in this. If you guys have this running on the bottom of your pool at night, the water power from the actual cleaner powers up an LED light on the side, and it looks like a little car driving around underneath your pool surface. So really cool cleaner if you got a pressure side system set up for it. So definitely recommend, if you're going to try to get a pressure cleaner, this Racer is really nice. Really big beefy tires. It's got a really wide cleaning surface, and then of course it always uses that Venturi power to help push, as well as this front scrubber brush, which is really nice. So you're getting a good surface clean at the same time that it's getting all that debris out of the pool. So really simple what they include. Again, full working unit, has everything inside. Brand new wheels. Everything about this is like you bought it brand new with the hoses and with the box, but obviously it does not have that. Again, 1-year warranty compared to a 2-year warranty with a professional installation. So, and parts only on these because it is a head unit only. So again, just want to show you guys what comes included. The really nifty cleaner. Definitely recommend you guys checking out our other videos on this. But just want to show you guys what comes in the box. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton more videos coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.